Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Chris with another video. Today I'm going to show you what I would eat on an average day while eating exceptionally healthy. A lot of you guys asked me to do it, what I eat in a day. You know who you are. I'm going to start my day out with a smoothie, a morning smoothie. Actually, it's afternoon. I usually fast throughout the night into the mid-morning and afternoon, and I don't like to eat anything before I go for a run. Well, maybe I'll eat like a quarter of a banana just so I have something in my body, but I don't like to eat like a meal or anything before I go for my run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait, do a little fast, and then in the afternoon, right now it's about 2:30, I'm going to eat 2:30. Alright, I got my Blend-Tec. This is a high-speed blender, so you're going to need one of them. And I have frozen bananas. And I'm hungry, so I'm going to put about 3 bananas worth in there. I have some organic flaxseed. This is pretty cheap, and I think I got the whole bag for $1.50. I like to use about a tablespoon or 2 in there. Just throw that in. That's really good for your omegas. And for my blender, I like to blend it up a little bit right now before I put any of the liquids in. It's just easier that way. I've got a handful of strawberries. Throw those in there. Normally I would put some greens like spinach in there too, but I don't have any. I used it last night. I got this PB2 powder. I'm gonna put some of that in there. And I'm also gonna put some of my 22-day nutrition in there. This is pretty clean ingredients. It's only got pea protein, cacao powder, flax, sacha inchi, and cocoa flavor. It is all organic as well. Put a big scoop of that in there. And of course we got some Oatly, my favorite of the vegan milks. Shake that up. That's about good. We're gonna blend again. And there's my smoothie. I could either pour this into a bowl and make it a smoothie bowl or just drink it like this. I'm gonna drink it like this today. I got 22-day nutrition protein powder, and I got a vegan smart container here, so I'm mixing them. This is my breakfast. And it's delicious. This will last me a good portion of the day before I start getting hungry again. So I've been eating when I get hungry, not overeating, and staying out of the kitchen so I'm not snacking on junk and stuff like that. I've been eating a lot of fruits, a lot of greens, and I've been making just different, we'll see later on in this video. I'll make something up that I would normally make that I've made throughout the week, and we'll do that. So I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, it's been 30 long years since I first started skateboarding back in 1989, and I've skated every year since, just not as much. So the last time I skated was last August, and here I am again. And this is where it all started, at the University Museum down in Syracuse, New York. Nice place to skate. It's got the marble, very smooth, some ledges and stuff, and it's my favorite spot as a kid. It's my favorite spot now, so I'm gonna go skate. If at first you fail, keep trying. And there it is. I used to be able to do that probably 8 times out of 10 years ago, but at least I can still do it at 43. a crazy good skate session. I feel like I just ran 6 miles. So out of breath. That was the thing about me. I would just keep skating and skating until I landed my trick. I have not taken a single break since I got here, and I am tired, and I'm probably going to be sore tomorrow because I haven't skated in about a year. So it was fun. I'm excited to get back out here again. Thanks to Jeremy for coming out here with me. I really hate skating alone. You know, these days most of my friends grew up and have families and don't skate anymore. So let's get back to the house and see what we're gonna have for dinner, because I am hungry. Okay, so now it's dinner time, and I was just gonna start all this, but I might as well show you guys exactly what I'm doing. Because I don't have any recipe plan, I'm just gonna throw things together for my dinner. And I have some water boiling. I'm gonna make some wild blend rice. And I basically seasoned my water with some of the seasonings that I like. I put some paprika, some cumin, some dried basil, some dried oregano, and some of the original flavor of the chicken salt in there. And I'm just gonna put this in here. Dump the rice in. I had a little bit too much water in there. So instead of dumping it all out, I put it in here, and this is what I'm going to cook my other stuff with, oil-free. Top on there. We are going to simmer that for a good 45 minutes. My stove doesn't really go too low, so it's either got some flame to it, and then the next setting is goes out. So I don't like my rice to burn. All right, I got a cast iron over here, pretty hot. So what are we gonna make? All right, I thought I had some chickpeas, but I don't. So I gotta make something else. I think I'm gonna use some of this organic jackfruit instead. I don't have anything else. And I'm going to use some red beans. So I just put a little bit of that liquid in here instead of oil. I do have some dried garbanzo beans, but that's going to take way too long. Got to soak them. I'm going to drain the jackfruit. In case you don't know, that's what it looks like when it comes. And you just take this and you can break it up. It breaks up really easy, as you can see, in a bowl with a fork. I don't know if you can see on camera, but I got a Zeke right here. I probably really didn't even need that liquid at first, but I put it in before I found out I didn't have any chickpeas. All right, back over here, I'm gonna season this with some paprika. My next go-to is some cumin. Some cumin in there. And remember guys, I'm just making this on the fly. I do have some dole, so I can throw in there. Dried basil, cracked black pepper, and a pinch of sea salt. Okay, maybe like 2 pinches of sea salt. Just gonna mix that up. I like to layer my flavors. And then we're just gonna throw that right in there as well. Already, that's looking pretty good. It's gonna be healthy too. All right, so now for some frozens. I have some frozen spinach. Throw those greens right in there. I have some frozen peas. Oh, there's not enough peas. Maybe I have some more in the freezer. And then some frozen corn. All that frozen stuff's gonna cool it down. So I'm just gonna kind of let it simmer here for a while. That's okay, because we got our rice on the other burner for another half an hour. Just cover that. We'll turn it down to low simmer, and we'll just let it cook for about a half an hour. We'll come back. Alrighty guys, it's done. Timer has gone off. The rice should be perfect. That's what I got going here. See that? And then this is the dinner. Now what I like to do is I turn the flame off about 10 minutes ago, put the top back on it, and that way all the steam gets trapped in there and it doesn't stick to the bottom. If you don't do that, sometimes it likes to stick. But we want it all because we're hungry. Because we skated all day. We're gonna plate this up. We're gonna plate a lot of this up because I'm really hungry. This looks good. And there it is. There's dinner tonight. Looks good, smells good, and it's very nutritious. I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I'm sure I'll see you guys soon. Because I'm showing you everything I eat in a day, I'm having a second bowl of this. Oh, and by the way, it was really good. All right, I'm gonna snack now, okay? Snack time, snacks. And I'm gonna snack on some fruit while I go edit my video. So, what I have here are just some grapes. I love grapes. I could sit and eat grapes all night. Sometimes when I'm watching Netflix, I'm chilling with some grapes. I got cherries. Just be careful when you bite down on them because there's a seed in there. I'm gonna break into some watermelon. I'm just gonna put it all in here, mix it up, and I probably won't eat all of it, but I'll eat some of it. You know, sometimes when I do these videos, people ask, well, you know, you ate too much, or you didn't eat enough, and you know, I really just eat when I'm hungry. It's simple as that. If I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat. Look at that watermelon. Dinner was big. Breakfast was big too. And then I'll fast until tomorrow, after I do my workout. I didn't go for a run today. I skateboarded instead. I took a nice shower. I'm all clean, feeling good. I did this last night. I ate a bunch of fruit and I finished off Stranger Things. I didn't realize I was watching the last episode when it was the last episode. All in all, I liked it. I love that 80s feel and how they incorporated a lot of those old movies I grew up with. I love oranges too. All right, that's probably like 2 pounds worth right there. Delicious. That's all I'm eating for today. That was my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And that's it. I will see you in the next video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the little bell so you don't miss notifications and miss my videos. And watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time. Where are you going with that? Huh? Who said that was yours?